Did you know the device holding your hand is actually a powerful modern computer? Modern computers aren't just laptops and desktops. Modern computers are electronic devices that can take in data, process it, and give us results. Smartphones are powerful pocket computers. As a student, it's my study buddy. I read ebooks and search about my assignments. I attend online class here. I also use it to watch K-dramas and read my favorite stories in Journal Stories, an online reading app. I also use it to video call my loved ones. It's also served as my wallet and my camera. I have GCash to pay my purchases cashless. I also use it to pay my bills conveniently. Modern computers are everywhere and have become essential to our daily tasks, even if it's for work, school, or fun. They are the tools we carry everywhere, making life easier and smarter. Thanks for watching!